So over here you can see that I have an old photo right here, and let's say what I want to do is I want to restore this out. So there are some lines right here, just like this, as you can see. So there's some scratches right here, and let's say I want to adjust out its color as well. So in that case you can use something called guided restore old photo option, and to do that you can go around onto the guided section right here, and once you go around onto the guided section you can go around and click on restore old photo right here. So once you do that over here, just like this, you get the old photo restoration options right here. So first is the crop tool, and this is optional, so you can go around and select out the area that you want to crop, or just go around and skip this out. But I'm just going to crop this photo out till this area right here. So I'm just going to press the check mark right there. So now I'm going to go around onto the spot healing tool right here. So I'm just going to grab the magnifying glass right here, and let me just go around over here, hold Alt on my keyboard to click on it and zoom it in, because I want to remove out these lines right here. So I'm using the spot healing brush tool right here, and I'm drawing around over here to remove those out, as you can see. And you can go around, draw out until you get, let's say, a normal result right here, just like this. So now what you can also do is you can go to the tool option right here and change around the size of the brush over here as well. So I'm just going to go around and draw around over here to remove it out right here. So just go around and draw out over here just like this, and remove out some scratches right here just like this off of the picture, just by drawing on top of it. So I'm just going to go around over here, use the scroll mouse button right here to move it out. You can even use the hand tool right here to move it in place, and then grab the spot healing brush tool right here just like this, and draw around over here on the lines right here just like this. Just go around and draw around over here, as you can see right here. So just gonna go around and draw around over here again. So I'm going to grab the hand tool again and drag it up, and use the spot healing brush tool right here, and just go around and draw around over here again. So I just don't want to remove out the zipper altogether right here. So I'm just going to go around and draw around over here just like this on the side, and just draw it once more right here just like this. Otherwise, if you were to draw around over here on the zipper, that will be removed as well. So I'm just going to press Ctrl Z, because that is not what I want. So I'm just going to go around and remove out these scratches right here. Once that is done, you can also use the healing brush tool right here, but for that you need to take a sample. Let's say, for example, you want to, fix something out right over here by using the texture. Then you can hold Alt to grab a texture, and then just draw around, and the texture itself will be copied, not the color. So that is what you have right here. The texture is copied, but not the color. So let me just press Ctrl Z, because I don't want to do that. So now I'm going to go to clone stamp tool, and in this case what you can do is you can go around and take an entire chunk right here. So let me just go around onto the tool option and work around with the size, hold Alt, and now you can see that you can even clone it out right here. So that is what you do to restore old photos. You take parts of different photos right here, and then just go around and draw it out right here. You can also use the, let's say, blur tool right here. Let me just close this, and I'm going to go around onto the blur tool right here, and you can blur out parts of the picture as well. So I'm just going to go around onto the tool option and increase around the size, and you can see that you can blur out, let's say, for example, these things right here that may have dust. So you can just go around and blur it out over here as well. So another thing that you can do is you can use the dust remover right here to clean it out. So you can go around, change around the radius right here according to how you want, and change around the threshold right here to actually remove out the brush right here. So you can experiment around with how this actually looks out right here. So let me just go around, decrease out the threshold right here just like this, or maybe increase out the threshold right here just like this, and you can change around the radius right here. So this is going to go around and change around right here, and then change around the threshold right here according to how you want it right here. So you can see the before and after right here to see the effect level as well. So you can go around, change around the radius right here just like this, remove out the dust. But I'm just not going to go around and do that. So apart from that, you can use the auto levels right here to change around the levels, and you can see that you can entirely correct out the color just by using one click. You can see that it's entirely corrected right here, and you can go around onto auto contrast over here as well, and do auto color correction over here as well, and even convert this into black and white. So auto color correction right here, auto contrast right here, just like this. Well, let me just go around and press Ctrl Z a few times right here, and this is it. auto levels is what I wanted right here. So you can go around, use the dust remover over here as well, work around with the radius as you can see, but let me just go around, keep the radius to around let's say 6 pixels, and you can work around with the threshold over here as well if you want to. But I'm just not going to apply that because it is removing the details out of the picture altogether. You can go around, use the sharpen tool to make the picture more sharp over here, just like this as well. And that is what you have, as you can see. So that is how you can go around and then use the guided restore all photo option inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.